Hi, my name's Sydney Heron. I love to travel, so the first couple slides are just some pictures of me and some of my favorite places. This is from Cusco, Peru. This is outside of the Taj Mahal in India. This is from Santa Monica, California, which is actually where I served my mission in LA. This is outside of Angkor Wat in Cambodia. This is from Ecuador, from Guayaquil. This is from Beijing, China. This is my little family, my husband and I. We have been married for 2 years. I met him when I moved to Boise 3 years ago. This is the rest of my family. We're a blended family. So I have a stepmom, a stepdad, and 2 step-siblings who aren't pictured here, along with my 4 siblings. This is the siblings with my dad in Paris. I don't really like answering the question, where are you from? Because I've moved around so many times that there's not really an accurate answer. But if I had to choose a place, I'd say Iowa, which is where I graduated high school. The upside to my family moving around so often is that we have pretty unique opportunities to travel. Part of my family actually lives in Russia right now. They live in Lipetsk, which is about 5 hours outside of Moscow. This is my stepmom and my sister in the red square. Right now, my dad and my stepmom are the only ones living in Russia, but my siblings lived there for about a couple years ago. The reason that I'm excited to study developmental psychology this semester is because I'm an ER phlebotomist at ERMAC. And in the ER, we work with patients of every age, so I'm excited to better understand so I can better serve the population that I work with. Someday, I hope to combine my passion for healthcare and travel to hopefully work and serve abroad. My husband and I have a big goal to join the Peace Corps after we graduate college. And for the rest of the slides, I've actually had the opportunity to live and work abroad in Ecuador and then in China. So I'm just going to show you some pictures from Ecuador. This is my host family, my host dad, my host mom, and one of their grandkids. And Ecuador is one of my favorite places because it's just so beautiful and so green. This is actually taken in the winter, which is why it's cloudy outside. But even in the winter, it's gorgeous. And I was actually able to take my husband to visit my family and friends in Ecuador. And this is outside of the clinic that I worked as a CNA in. And this is my husband trying his first chicken foot. And I actually love my time in Ecuador so much that I convinced my husband to move to China and teach English with me. So here's just some pictures of some of the cute kids that we taught while we were there. And that pretty much wraps up my presentation. Thank you guys for watching it, and I look forward to seeing all about your lives.